Aloha and welcome to Hawaii 4-H Presents 4-H Hale Learning. These are activities that you can do at home. My name's Kate and I work for the Hawaii 4-H program. If you have not checked out our first kitchen chemistry video, please do so. In our first video, we explored reactions by doing fizzy foam fun and a soda geyser experiment. It really got us thinking. What other kind of things can we explore that involve reactions? So we looked up the lava lamp experiment, and then we thought we'd give it a try. Let's take a look. For this experiment, we'll need a few things: vegetable oil, Alka-Seltzer, water, and some food coloring. You will need a clear container, like a 2-liter soda bottle. Then fill up the bottle about 3/4 of a way to the top with vegetable oil. We added food coloring to water. Then we'll add our colored water and put that into the container, but make sure not to fill it all the way to the top. You're going to want to wait for just a little bit to let the oil and water separate. Now it's time to add the Alka-Seltzer tablets. What do you think is going to happen? Let's check it out. When the Alka-Seltzer tablet is dropped into the oil and the water, it sinks to the bottom. And then the chemical reaction happens when the tablet and the water mix, and it creates bubbles of carbon dioxide, which rises to the top. We decided to experiment further, and we had a lot of fun. Show us your experiment by using #Hawaii4H on social media. Keep exploring and experimenting. Thank you so much. Have a great day.